In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Robinhood Gold charge that is not going through. If your subscription payment keeps failing or your Gold membership is at risk of being cancelled, there are a few things you should check. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner and go to the menu or settings section. After that, tap on Robinhood Gold to view your membership and billing details. Start by checking your linked payment method or bank account. Make sure there are enough funds available and confirm that the card or account connected to Robinhood is still active. If your payment method has expired or was removed, update it with a valid one before trying again. You should also check whether your bank blocked the charge for security reasons. Some banks automatically decline subscription or financial service payments until they are approved manually. Another thing to check is your account balance and any pending deposits or restrictions. If there are unresolved account issues, Robinhood may temporarily pause billing or membership access. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version because billing problems can sometimes happen due to outdated app versions or temporary bugs. You can also try logging out and back into the app to refresh your account information. After updating your payment details, return to the Robinhood Gold section and see if there's an option to retry the payment manually. If the charge still does not go through, contact Robinhood support through the help section inside the app for account-specific assistance. They can tell you exactly why the payment failed and help restore your Gold membership if needed. And that's how you can fix a Robinhood Gold charge not going through. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.